And we are at the finishing stages of our beautiful craft table. I'm going to be using our bone inlay stencil. How beautiful is this? I'm going to be doing it on the sides of the legs here and at the top in Polka Legacy. I'm going to give it a good stir, and then I'm going to masking tape my stencil onto the table. So I'm going to be using this little piece all the way down this leg. Stencil secured into place. Got a stencil brush going on here. Some people also use a sponge. I prefer the stencil brush. We have a little lappy handy. Less is more, and we just dab. The reason we don't want to use too much paint is we don't want bleeding. Oh, absolutely pretty.
To be continued.